So let's get straight into the unboxing. This hair is from Unice on Amazon, and your hair will come in a red box just like this, filled with some goodies. So let's get into what's inside the box besides the unit. So the first thing that I took out was the bag of goodies. The first thing in there was this retractable makeup brush. You could choose to use it if you like, of course wash it before you use it. The next thing in there were a pair of faux lashes from Unice, a nude wig cap, which I absolutely love, and this elastic band. Okay, so this unit is the Kinky Edge hairline. So I'm just showing you what the hairline looks like before. And as you can see, the front of the hair, it looks so natural and wavy. It also could be called curly edges if you choose to, but the back of the hair is body wave. And it is a 13x4 lace front wig. It is 180% density, and it is 24 inches. Okay, and look how natural that looks. That just looks so natural. So I was a little scared when I first seen it, but I also was excited just to see what it was gonna look like. So this is the inside of the cap. It is a lace cap. So you do have 3 combs, adjustable straps, as well as a band on the inside. So I already washed the hair, conditioned it, and let it air dry. So this is what it looks like in its natural state. I also added some powder to the inside of the lace, but only the perimeter. And as you can see, when I'm putting it on my head, is a close-up of the edges, and it looks so natural, like my natural hair. So I went in with the Even Wonder extreme firm hold spray, and I sprayed that along the hairline, the edges, and I just used my mini blow dryer and a tail comb to kind of secure the hair down. To further secure it, if you wanted to have it on longer, you can use the band that they provided in the beginning. But yeah, this was really quick. I find this to be quicker, and it definitely stays longer. So I decided that I wanted a deep C part, so that is what I am creating using the tail of the comb. I find it a little bit easier, even though today I was struggling. It was a struggle, but once we got there, right? So I'm brushing through the hair just to take out any kinks that may have been in there, because I did put the adjustable straps on, and I'm also splitting my hair in 2. That's what I like to do. It makes it easier for me. I'm adding my face powder to the parting space to define it more and make it look like my scalp, and I think that definitely did the trick, because that looks like my scalp. Okay, so now I'm adding some Designer Essentials Silk Essentials oil to the hair. I only used a little bit because this hair is very fine, so I did not want to put too much, because that would definitely weigh the hair down and it will look very greasy, and that's not what we're going for today. We're going for like a relaxed look. Then I took the wax stick and I put that on the top, and I just hot combed wherever I put that, just so we could lay those hairs down. Okay, we don't want it all the way down, but we do want it flat enough. I like the way this looks in the front because it looks natural, so I didn't want to really hot comb the front too much, because then it will take away like the kinky look, and I wanted y'all to see what that looks like. So now I'm using my curling iron. I'm using a really big curling iron because I kind of just want that body wave look still. So this is a way to get body wave without just having a really tight curl. So this is something you don't have to worry about all day. It's just like loose curls, very natural, and I curl away from my face on both sides. So I always split my hair down the middle, and then I just curl going the opposite direction. So now we're on the other side. It was something to speed through, because you've seen so many tutorials that I've done doing this hairstyle, so you're just speeding through it really quick. But I still wanted to show you the process. This is a quick and easy style, but so pretty. Like, I love natural waves. Body wave is fire. Okay, and I think this is the last curl. And if you want them to be more defined, pin curl them after you're done curling it. So after I am done doing that, that is pretty much it. I just have to do this one little swoop on these edges, and I did use the Gotta Be Glued styling gel for that. And yeah, after I did that swoop, now we're just going to finger comb the rest of the hair just so you can see those natural waves. Okay, and I love the way this came out. Like, it just looks like a sew-in with my natural hair out. Okay, so we're all done. Stay tuned for the specs as well as my first thoughts on this hair. Okay, so I am back, and this is what the hair looks like. I am absolutely in love. It's just so natural and pretty. Oh my gosh, it just looks so good. And I love the way this looks right here, because it feels like, you know, with the kinkier edges, you honestly don't really have to worry about your edges as much, because, you know, when the edges are silky, you kind of really have to like focus on them. But even though the textures are different, like the kinkiness of the edges and then the soft straightness of the rest of the hair, I think this is a good wig. Like, this is a bomb wig. I love this wig. So let's get into the specs really quick. I'm sorry I jumped ahead because I am just loving my hair so much right now. Okay, so this hair is from Unice on Amazon. It is super duper affordable. You are going to be able to get your wig quick, fast, because again, it is on Amazon. So I would say 2-day shipping. Okay, so this is the Kinky Edge hairline unit. This is in body wave. As you saw, I did go in and add some big curls, and as you saw, I did not pin curl them. I didn't pin curl it because I did not want a tighter curl. What I really wanted was like just a loose body wave, and I love the way this looks. It looks effortless. It just looks just so pretty, and oh, I love it, I love it, love it, love it. The unit is 180% density, and it is 24 inches. I am going to turn around so you can see, but on me, it comes up, and this is curled. It comes right here to the middle of my stomach. In the back, it comes up to my butt. I think the density on this hair is perfect. The hair is silky, even though the edges are kinky, but yet it still works. Like, I would rather the kinky edge with the silky texture. Honestly, now that I tried it out, I would rather that, because it is just so effortless to do. You really don't have to focus on the edges as much. It looks very natural. Okay, so let me just give you like a little close-up. You probably could see the knots a little bit because they are not bleached, and I just put powder underneath, but just look how good that looks. Like, it just looks natural. Like, it's not giving, oh, she got a wig on. It looks like I have like some natural hair out. So I'm really, really loving this. As far as shedding, I'm not receiving any shedding whatsoever, but of course shedding will be minimal. There is no tangling, there is no snagging, there is no matting. The unit can be colored. You could bleach the unit, you could curl the unit, you could straighten the unit. As far as my wash routine, I just used Hello Hydrations from Herbal Essences, shampoo and conditioner. As far as putting products in the hair, I just added a little bit of the Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil. I didn't want to put too much because this hair is fine, and I felt like that would weigh the hair down, especially with textures like this. You don't want to put a lot of oils in your hair and a lot of products in the hair, because it will act differently and it won't be a good experience. It'll matte, it'll shed, it'll, you know, do different things. So I would say be very light-handed with any type of oils or products that you're putting in the hair, because it is fine. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit, and I will have it down in the bottom bar listed for you, as well as information on Unice here on Amazon. Again, the shipping is really fast, so if you want this unit, you will get it in a few days. Okay, a few days, and it is definitely worth it. Tell me what y'all think about this unit. Would you rather a kinkier hair in the back? What do you think about the two textures combined? I definitely just wanted to try it out, and honestly, I love it. I really love this unit. Okay, so yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye y'all.